Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Velkpro M100 wireless headset. This is AI powered with noise cancelling and has a really comfortable design. It has a very long battery life of around 32 hours of constant talking. We have also this USB dongle which we can use to connect easily on a PC. And we have all the very convenient buttons here, multi-function buttons. So I'm going to open it and show you what you get and how this works. And of course I'm going to record a microphone sample recording so you can hear how good the microphone really is. This is the user manual, but I'm going to show you everything anyway, so I don't have to show you that. So here's the charging cable, USB-C, which is really good. That's the way to go. And here's the headset itself, really compact, I would say lightweight. And what's really good is that we have this microphone which can be put in both directions. You can see you can wear it here on the right side, but if you prefer this on the left side, you can do this as well. This is super convenient, so works perfectly for everybody, and it can be extended for large head size. And I've already tested it for me, and I have large head size, and this works perfectly for me. We have also this nice anti-skid here on the side. We have a lot of cushion here on the top, which makes it comfortable to wear it for a long time. Then also this cushion here. I mean, of course, it's not a super large ear cup, so your ears won't fit here inside, so it will always be on top. But because the headset is really large, very wide, so it doesn't push a lot on your ears, so it's still very comfortable. Regarding the buttons, everything is really easy and I would say straightforward, absolutely no problem. The only thing which you have to know are the special functions of the multi-function button. It has a lot of single pushes, double pushes, long pushes in some specific situations. I hope you can see that, and maybe this gives you some kind of impression what you can do. So this works for music playing, also taking call, rejecting call, hang up a call, and all these things. And to turn it on, we long press here, and then we have this flashing light, red and blue, which means it is in pairing mode. If there is a pairing record, it will try to connect for about 20 seconds. If it can't connect, it will automatically go into pairing mode. This is as easy as it gets, so you will never have to really reset it or so. This is super convenient. I think this is the best option which I have ever seen regarding Bluetooth. And to connect it to a phone, we click on pair new device, and then we see this M100. And so here it's already connected, and we can see the battery. I think that's the only way to see the battery level. It comes 100% charged. Obviously, that's really good. And so let's see if we can play something here on YouTube, and we can already hear that from here. So we can change the volume from here, or we can change the volume from here directly on the headset. With short pushes up here, we can increase the volume. And you can hear that's pretty loud. So I'm going to hold the speaker here to the microphone. So I've also been listening to that, and I can confirm that the audio quality is really good. Speaker is really good. It works perfectly for voice communication, but also for listening to sound. It has actually even a deep bass sound support. That's really amazing for a headset which is mostly designed for office or for truckers or those things. You can easily listen to music, but of course it's not stereo. You don't have it on both sides. But I would say this is one of the best audio qualities which I've ever heard from such kind of headsets. And now let's do the microphone test with the air condition running in the background. So this will be interesting to hear how good the noise cancellation really works. And so I'm going to play this recorded voice sample now for you so you can listen to that. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5 Velkpro M100 wireless headset. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, and I would say it's on a very good level. Definitely for this class, I mean, it's not absolutely perfect. There is a difference between a top microphone and this one here, but this is definitely on a very good level. It records everything on a pretty natural tone with a good sensitivity, not top-notch sensitivity. I had to increase the the voice sample with about 10 decibel, but usually good communication programs should be able to use it in a perfect way, so there's absolutely no problem for other people to understand you. And not just understand you, but actually in a rather natural way, so people will definitely be able to understand who is talking. That's also very important, that it doesn't change the voice too much. So let's now try to switch to the PC. So I'm disconnecting here the Bluetooth connection from my mobile phone, and I got a message on the headphone that it is disconnected already. So this is really good. You get always confirmation what's going on your headset. There are not too many notifications. It's really good. So usually with most of the things, like increasing the volume, decreasing the volume, go to the next track, go to the previous track, these things don't have any confirmation. That's absolutely how we want it. Not too many disturbing notifications, only the things regarding turning on, turning off, and connectivity. These are confirmed with a really good understandable voice, not too loud. That's really good. So we have the dongle here. I'm going to connect it to the PC. After disconnecting here on the mobile phone, I get already again the red and blue light, which means it's ready to connect. So I'm just plugging in here this USB dongle, get the blue light, setting up a device. Also, let's see the light here on the headset itself. It's flashing a little bit faster now. Probably this is indicating that it's going to connect. And so we have only the blue light now every now and then. I think this means it's connected. So let's wait for the confirmation here. Because it's a slower PC, it takes a little bit of time, but we are always waiting till everything is fully installed. Okay, so after a couple of minutes I got the confirmation. It's saying KH50 is installed. So let's go to the sound options, and we can see that just by plugging in this here, it got automatically connected and assigned as a primary input and output for audio. So this is absolutely amazing, of course, as it should be, but it's really convenient. And so we can go to the microphone recording, and you can see here that it's already working, that it's recording. We can stop this thing here and play it. I've been already listening to the recording, and I can confirm that's absolutely the same as on my mobile phone. So absolutely amazing, this headset. I would say this is as good as it gets in this class. Also, by the way, this pop filter has been working good. There was absolutely no pop effect, and you can also bend the thing around, as you can see. If it wouldn't be perfect for you, you can push it down or up and left and right, and of course also to the other side. Yeah, that's absolutely perfect. So I can give you a full recommendation, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.